Extracting data from table, how to extract a particular table or how to extract the particular data alone and process. That is going to be our module, extracting data. Then we have, this is one module, and after that we have one more thing. Then it is going to complete our thing. So see here, see the quiz question and send me the answer. So this is your EPL, and I'm going to extract the team from EPL, and I'm going to assign it in teams. So they're asking what is the type of what is the data type of the teams. Send me the answer. I'm looking for answer in the chat box. If I extract only the teams column from the given table, what will be the data type of team? So totally, the team has 7 entries. So what type of the thing will be team? A or B or C or D or E? Be a 7x1 array or 7x1 double array or 7x1 table, or it is going to produce an error message. I'll type the answer 7x1 cell array. Yes, it's going to be a cell array. Okay, it's going to be a text, right? So it will be in the form of a cell array. Indexing can be done with dot notation. You have seen table name dot column name. If you give, you can use the dot notation. So create a numeric array named HW that contains home wins from the table EPL. So EPL dot. If you give EPL dot, you will get the. You can type home wins. Okay. I'm going to extract home wins alone from the EPL table. Let's see if it is correct. Yes. So you see home wins alone we got. Next one, create a numeric scalar average AVG HCF that contains the average value of home GF variable from the EPL. First thing, you extract EPL dot home GF, and for that what they're asking, average. You have a command called average. I think you can use that. I'm not sure if it is average or AVG. We'll see. Average is used in declare function. I think it's AVG. Or mean. I think you also have something called as mean, right? So yes, see here mean. So previous versions of MATLAB had this command average. Now it has become mean. Mean is going to be the average. Okay, 28.35. That is the average value of home